Why your car won't start in cold weather. And it's not what you think. It's freezing. You're late. You turn the key. Click, click, click. Here's the real reason. In cold weather, your battery loses power. When temperature drops, your battery can lose up to 50% of its strength. When temperature drops, your battery can lose up to half its power. But that's not all. Cold oil becomes thick. Thick oil makes your engine harder to turn, so now your battery's weak and your engine is heavy. Bad combination. Here's the dipstick. We pull it out slowly. Now, let's look at the engine parts. Smart drivers do this. Check your battery. Use winter oil. Keep tank half full. Turn off lights before starting. This is Auto Lady USA. Subscribe now, because if this video disappears from your feed, you'll miss the next one that could save your engine.